My name is Dr. Casey Schoenlank. I'm an attending physiatrist at Johnson Rehabilitation Institute at Ocean University Medical Center, and I'm the director of Rehab Medicine Consult Services at Ocean University Medical Center. I started the consult service when I started here. It's only grown leaps and bounds since that time. We're a very busy consult service. We help with the transition from the hospital to acute rehab or even to subacute rehab if it's appropriate. I feel a good honor to be able to see these patients through different levels of their care. As a consultant, I am able to go into the hospital and see them before they're even ready for their rehab services. And then as an attending physiatrist inpatient, I am able to watch over their inpatient rehab progress and help to plan for a safe discharge home. I love it here. I've been able to develop some really good relationships over the years with the staff. They are so experienced, so caring, and really try their best every day with caring for the patients and going above and beyond. I learn new things from these very experienced people every day in the different disciplines. And I think we really truly are a family, and we work very well together.